Hello everyone, welcome to Problem Solvers Guide. My name is Bhaskar and I'm a BTech first year student at IIT Hyderabad. So on this channel we'll explore various problems, coding questions like lead code, hacker rank, geeks for geeks, etc. and their solutions. In today's video we'll be solving the problem of the day from Geeks for Geeks. Today is 19th month 2023 and the problem is called count the substring. Okay, and the statement of the problem is given a string S. The task is to count the number of substring which contains equal number of lowercase and uppercase letters. That means you have to just fill up the function in Java or C++ or Python. Okay, so the function will take as string as an argument and you have to return the number of substring that will contain equal number of lowercase and uppercase letters. That's the question. Okay, so let's check it out. The example number 1. So as the example number 1 is geek. Okay, so the example 1 is geek. So geek Z, capital E, and K. So the output will be 3. Why? Because there is 3 substring which contains equal number of uppercase and lowercase letter, like GE and substring itself on, and one is EK, egg. Okay, and for better understanding we can take this example also, like Women's Day. Okay, so in Women's Day here W, D, A and Y in are uppercase. Okay, and the substring that contains an equal number of lowercase and uppercase are WO and SD and NSDA, and last one will be ENSDAY. Okay, that's it. Okay, and we can, your task is to complete the problem. Yes, okay, uppercase, lowercase. Okay, and the expected time complexity is n square and auxiliary space is O1. So it's okay, because like expected time complexity is n square is too high, so we can use brute force approach actually. So we are going to use brute force approach to solve this problem. So if anyone don't know what brute force approach is, so let me tell in brief. So brute force approach is a simple and a straightforward algorithm technique that involves iterating over all possible solutions to problem and selecting one that satisfied problem constant. Okay, so this algorithm is going to check every possibilities. So this is not the best or most efficient method, but we are going to use this because we have to check all the possibilities. Okay, like from 0 to n tak, and the complexity of the solution will be n square, and that is okay because like expected time complexity also n square, so this is okay. And but if you want to approach another algorithm, that will also okay. So another solutions will be like you can use dynamic programming or segment trace, or you can use hashing also. So that is up to you, but we are going to use brute force approach. Okay, so let's write the code first. Okay, so we will write the Java code first, then we will explain little bit, then we will write C++ code. Okay, so let's copy the function. Okay, so we are not going to write any object oriented program type, like we are not create any extra classes. Like here you can see the main GFG class and another is solution class. So we are just copy the function name and paste it in our IDE. Okay, in main class, not in other class, and just we have to put like static. Okay, so static and count substring, it will take S as input and will return int as output.
So first we are going to create an integer type variable and assign it to 0. Okay, like our flow chart. So we create an integer type and assign it to 0. Then what we have to do, then we start a for loop from I is equal to 0 to I less than length. Length means s dot length minus 1. Okay, so if we put minus 1, then we have to put equal here I plus plus. and then we have to create a counter variable just like we mentioned in our flowchart here. Create a counter variable and assign it to 0. Okay, so we did that. After that, again a for loop, a restricted for loop, where the range of the for loop will be int j equal to 1 to s dot length minus 1. So this is okay, but okay, length minus 1 to length minus 1 and j plus plus. Now we are going to create a variable char ch where we can store the character at index j. Okay, and we check if ch is greater than small a greater than equal to small a and ch is less than equal to z, small z. Okay, then we are going to increase the value of c by 1, and otherwise we are going to decrease the value by 1 like we mentioned in our flowchart. If counter variable is equal to if sj is lowercase, increment the counter variable by the 1, otherwise decrement. Okay, so we did that. After that, like we mentioned in here, if equal to 0, then increase the value of answer. So if c is equal to 0, then increase the value of answer is what? Count plus count. Okay, so that's our code. So we have to return the count, return count. Okay, so let's take an example and check it out. So we are going to create a string s is equal to women's day, okay, and print count substring argument s. Okay, so let's print. Okay, so you can check the okay, so the output is 4. Okay, so the output is 4. So what we did here,
what we exactly did, like if we are, first of all we start a loop and we go through all the iterate and all possible substring of the given s. Okay, in nested loop also, and in nested loop we are checking or tracking the number of lowercase and uppercase letters using this counter variable. Okay, using this counter variable, and we can and we are increase the value of counter variable if the character is in the range of small a to z, or otherwise we are decreasing. So if c is equal to 0, that means the number of lowercase and uppercase is equal. So that is our one of the substring. So we are increase the value of count. The count is our answer. Okay, so we are increase, and after that just we return the count after checking all the possibilities using the brute force approach. Okay, this is our code. Just like copy this, and we are going to check this is correct or not. If correct, where we have to submit here. Okay, paste, just run and compile and run. So you can see it, so you can see this the input and expected output, and your output is equal. So let me submit the code. Okay, 115. Okay, so this is absolute correct answer. Okay, so let's write the code for C++ also.
So we are going to copy the whole code. We are going to paste it here. Okay, and just we can write it like in same code. We are going to write int count is equal to 0. Okay, for int I is equal to 0 to I less than equal to s dot length I plus plus. Int c is equal to 0, and for loop int j is equal to I to j less than equal to s dot length j plus plus, and char ch is equal to s j if ch is greater than equal to a and ch is less than z c plus plus, otherwise c minus minus, sorry, if c equals 0 then count plus plus, sorry, count plus plus and return the value of count, count. So we are not going to run it, just
Copy and paste it in there. Sorry, okay. Oh, wait, like forgot return here. Okay, let's again run. The expected, your output is 4 and the expected output is 3. Why? What's going on, dude? Oh, sorry for this. Okay, now this is okay. Yeah, alright, submit it. Yeah, everything is okay. So that's it for today's problem. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more problem solvers guide videos. Thank you.